So I'm curious to see what's inside the Omnipods. So I'm just gonna open one up, and we'll have a look together. It's covered by this plastic cover here, and I think I'm gonna just open it up this way, like that, sides, and see what we can find inside. Obviously that's the reservoir for the insulin, but I want to have a closer look. I tried before by just using a screwdriver. It was impossible to open, so I'm going to use a Dremel to cut it open. Hit the insulin, I could see it fly off. Right, let's just open it up. Oh, there's the speaker there. The loud, well, it's not a speaker. It's a siren, not siren, maybe. Anyways, so what can we see? Let me put some lights on. So from what I see, so that's the where it was like that. Looks like these are the contacts for, these are the contacts for the speaker, let's say, and this is the ejection mechanism. Obviously it's connected through a wire. It's not a wire, it's that long needle, isn't it? The long needle that helps that tiny tube goes into under the skin. And it just looks like it's under compression because of this wire here. I may be wrong. This is the first time I open it, so excuse me if I'm unsure of what is what. I was just curious, and I thought you may be too. So let's have a look again. I remember seeing something here about this just ejecting and then locking up. Okay, I think if I push this up and then I can unwind this back. Do you remember that pink thing that you look at for? Just make sure that it's actually pushed in. So that's what goes in. Whoop, pushes that blue tube inside you, or inside me, shall I say. Okay, so back up here, that's the reservoir, and this is the motor, I believe, just this tiny bit here, connected to some gears, some plastic gears, maybe so the cost is cheaper by doing it plastic. Can't believe how all this electronics and mechanisms, they're just not even recyclable. Like, just get rid of it. And this motor controls how much insulin you get, and believe it or not, all of this just relies on some electronic inside to make sure it's not malfunctioning and accidentally just withdrawing insulin. I'm not sure now which one is the motor. The only metallic bit I could see was this, but then at the same time, I can see that actually is spinning. Like, it's not, like if it's not the motor, unless the motor is under here somewhere with some tiny gear that it connects to here to actually spin and push the piston of the reservoir all the way. Okay, so back to these are the batteries. Such waste, isn't it? It'd be great if they could make these actually reusable. I wanted to open this to actually see if I can reuse anything I can find here. I was interested in the motor. I will find it eventually, I just couldn't get a chance. So looks like the batteries are actually probably soldered in, which would be great. At least less of it malfunctioning and going off when you accidentally hit it or drop it. Let's just turn the lights on again, sorry. back to where we were. So these are the batteries. It looks like I can't get them out unless I use force. That sounded like it came off. Okay, let's go. There was a bit of spring that came off it as well. Where's the spring? Okay, yeah, it was welded here to one of the corners. I wonder if this is still charged. Probably is, to be honest. From this side I can see where the batteries are. Here, three of them. So this is where you would inject your insulin here. And basically that's where the reservoir is. This is where you push the pin in to stop the siren or speaker from going off. I can't see where it connects to here. Anyways, so basically this is I'm not sure what this is. I've never actually knew what this is for here. It's right above the reservoir. Let's just try and open it. It's quite stiff. It sits right above the reservoir. And I've got a feeling it's like an overflow. I'm not sure what these springs are for here. Anyways, alright, thank you for watching. This is the opening of the Omnipod. This is how it was before. Such a great device, this. That unfortunately I have to I'm recycling it, but it's not something they reuse, unfortunately. So I don't know what to do with them. Look, every about 3 months, I have to send all of these back to them. Unbelievable. Anyways, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to see more of these videos. Thank you. Bye.